Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hamza Tech. So in today's video I will talk more about online earning, how you can make money online. So we will have to go to Chrome. There you can search a website Sport Gigs. As I opened the first website, when you search Sport Gigs, you have to click on that. There we go. The site Sport Gigs is opened. This is an amazing website for the beginner who wants to earn money online. They are saying hire many workers internationally, USA, Western, Europe West, Europe East, Asia, Africa, Muslim countries and Latin America. Here, this is the website where you can make money online by doing small tasks. The task would be like you have to give surveys or you have to install app, anything like that. These will be tasks you have to accomplish and then you will be rewarded by money. You can make money on this website about 5 to $10 per day. How to log in? First of all, we have to check it. There's two options are available for you. First, you can log in here. If you already had account, you can just log in here, put your email and put your password and then log in. If you don't have an account on this website named Sport Gigs, you can sign up here. Here you can put your real name, then put your email, password, confirm password, and you have to put your nickname as well. Then select your profile type. I'm a worker or I am an employer. Then you have to tick on the I agree to Sport Gigs terms of services privacy policy and send me the news, events and offers via periodic email. When you tick on that, you will receive email from this website and the new offers and jobs that are available for you. Here you can select your country. If you are Indian or Pakistani, you can select your country. If someone else country has, you can select it. And this is a best website who wants to earn money on a daily basis, and he will receive dollar on a daily basis. And when it's up to $50, then you can withdraw that money. Then you can withdraw that money from this website. For this you have to need an international accounts like Pioneer or PayPal. Pioneer is the best account to have to receive the international payments. If you don't know about the Pioneer account, you can just search on YouTube. Here many videos are available for you. From there you can learn and then you can create your account and then you can make money online. This website named Sport Gigs, its previous name was Pico Workers. If you don't find that website on Chrome, you can just search Pico Worker, write Pico Worker on YouTube. Their videos will be available. You can learn from that how you can uh, complete these tasks and then you can log in here whatever you write, pico worker or sport gigs. Its new name is sport gigs. I think this video will help you for making money online. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.